Python skills can help the city of Baltimore in many ways, but probably the most common use is automation. So if you have a process in your workflow where the same data comes in once a month, let's say, and you always do the same thing to it, maybe you aggregate it or summarize it, and then you send it out to the same group of people, that sort of thing is a good candidate for automation. And we're already beginning to see participants in the Python workshop propose automation projects. Some folks in the finance team wrote me just the other day about a process they do where they are trying to identify unpaid invoices that are late. So they pull some data on invoices from one spot, then they pull a second data set on payments that the Department of General Services has made from another spot. You combine those two data sets and you can identify unpaid invoices that are late. So this is really exciting for me because some of these students are coding for the very first time, and I can break off little pieces of code that are pretty simple, and then they can solve those, and we'll stitch all that work together and keep adding to it in GitHub until it works. In the end, I hope that we'll be able to automate a number of similar processes, so then we'll all just have more time to think deeply about how Baltimore can innovate instead of getting bogged down in repetitive paperwork. So if it's simple enough for a machine to do it, then we're saying let's actually let a machine do it.